the ultimate guide to building a profitable online business. Tips, strategies, and tools you need to succeed. Welcome to the ultimate guide to building a profitable online business. Are you tired of working for someone else? Do you dream of having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, on your own schedule? If so, you've come to the right place. Building a profitable online business is a dream for many people, but it can be overwhelming and confusing. In this guide, we'll provide you with all the tips, strategies, and tools you need to start and grow a successful online business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this guide will help you take your business to the next level. So let's get started. Section 1. Finding your niche. The first step to building a profitable online business is finding your niche. Your niche is your area of expertise or the specific topic that you'll be focusing on in your online business. Here are some tips for finding your niche. Follow your passion. One of the best ways to find your niche is to follow your passion. What are you interested in? What do you enjoy doing? If you build a business around something that you're passionate about, you'll be more likely to stick with it and succeed. And to follow your passion, you need to do a few things. Number 1. Research your market. Once you've identified your passion, research your market. Is there a demand for what you're offering? Who are your potential customers? What are their needs and pain points? Understanding your market is crucial to building a successful online business. Number 2. Narrow your focus. When it comes to choosing your niche, it's better to narrow your focus than to try to be everything to everyone. Choose a specific niche that you can dominate and then expand from there. Section 2. Building your website. Your website is the foundation of your online business. It's where potential customers will go to learn more about you and your products or services. Here are some tips for building a website that will help you succeed. Number 1. Choose the right platform. There are many website platforms to choose from, including WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. Do your research to find the platform that best fits your needs and budget. Number 2. Focus on design and user experience. Your website should be visually appealing and easy to navigate. Use high-quality images and clear, concise text to communicate your message. Number 3. Optimize for SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages. Use relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and little tags to improve your SEO and attract more traffic to your site. Section 3. Marketing your business. Marketing is essential to building a profitable online business. Here are some tips for marketing your business. Build your email list. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to reach potential customers. Offer a free resource or discount in exchange for their email address. Use social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are powerful tools for reaching potential customers. Use these platforms to build your brand, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your website. Leverage paid advertising. Paid advertising can be a great way to reach a larger audience and drive more traffic to your website. Consider using platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to promote your business. Section 4. Managing your finances. Managing your finances is crucial to building a profitable online business. Here are some tips for managing your finances. Track your expenses and income. Keep track of all your business expenses and income to ensure that you're making a profit. Use accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero to make the process easier. Set a budget. Set a budget for your business and stick to it. This will help you avoid overspending and ensure that you have enough funds to invest in areas that will help your business grow. Separate your business and personal finances. It's important to keep your business and personal finances separate to avoid confusion and ensure that you're accurately tracking your business expenses. Section 5. Scaling your business. Once your online business is up and running, it's time to focus on growth and scalability. Here are some tips for scaling your business. Automate your processes. Automating your business processes can save you time and money. Use tools like Zapier or IFTTT to automate tasks like email marketing, social media posting, and customer follow-ups. Outsource tasks. If you're feeling overwhelmed, consider outsourcing tasks like graphic design, copywriting, or customer service. This can free up your time to focus on more important tasks like strategy and growth. Create passive income streams. Passive income streams can help you generate income even when you're not actively working on your business. Consider creating digital products like ebooks or courses that can be sold on your website. Section 6. Be patient and persistent. Building a profitable online business is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and persistence. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Keep working hard, stay patient, and be persistent. Remember, success is a marathon, not a sprint. It's important to remember that building a profitable online business is a journey, not a destination. There will be obstacles and setbacks along the way, but it's important to stay patient and persistent. Celebrate your small wins, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. With time and effort, you will see the results you desire. Section 7. Connect with your audience. Building a profitable online business is not just about making money, it's about creating meaningful connections with your audience. Take the time to engage with your customers, listen to their feedback, and provide them with valuable content. This will help you build trust and loyalty with your audience, which is key to long-term success. Building a profitable online business is all about building relationships with your audience. Take the time to understand your customers' needs and pain points, and provide them with valuable solutions. Engage with your customers on social media, respond to their comments and feedback, and provide them with a personalized experience. This will help you build a loyal customer base and increase your brand's visibility and reputation. Section 8. Stay up to date with trends. The online business world is constantly evolving. Stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies to stay ahead of the competition. Follow industry leaders and attend conferences and webinars to learn about new strategies and tools. The online business world is a dynamic one. It is never stable, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Attend conferences and webinars, read industry publications, and follow industry leaders on social media to stay informed. This will help you stay ahead of the competition and identify new opportunities for growth. Section 9. Focus on quality over quantity. When it comes to building a profitable online business, it's better to focus on quality over quantity. Instead of trying to reach a large audience, focus on providing high-quality products and services that meet the needs of your target market. This will help you build a loyal customer base and increase your profits over time. Focus on building long-term relationships with your customers and prioritize their satisfaction over short-term profits. Number 10. Take care of yourself. Building a profitable online business can be stressful, demanding, and exhausting. Take care of yourself by getting enough sleep, eating healthy, and exercising regularly. This will help you stay focused, motivated, and productive. It's important to take care of your physical and mental health to ensure that you can maintain your productivity and focus. Take breaks when needed, prioritize self-care, and seek support from family and friends when necessary. Remember, building a profitable online business is a marathon, not a sprint, and your health and well-being are just as important as your business. Taking care of yourself is essential for achieving long-term success. Congratulations, you have made it to the end of the ultimate guide to building a profitable online business. We hope you found the tips, strategies, and tools in this guide helpful in achieving your business goals. Building a profitable online business is not easy, but with the right mindset, tools, and strategies, you can achieve success. Remember, building a profitable online business is a journey, not a destination. Stay patient, persistent, and focus on your goals, and success will follow. So go out there and build the business of your dreams.